Ayan, bubuksan na namin yung medium size na Taiwan clam. Taiwan clam. So, ayan ang top. Wow, yung Taiwan clam. Yung meat niya. So, inadobo namin. Guys, nakita niyo naman ang aking cleavage ngayong araw na ite. We are harvesting Taiwan clam. Ayan. With my friend here sa pond namin. So, ganito siya kalaki ang aming Taiwan clam. It tastes like chicken butt kapag stir fry namin. Yes, akala nyo walang clam sa freshwater, sa dagat lang. Meron. Yan ang ebidensya. Tapos, maliligo kami sa aming organic pool. So, yeah. Just to set you straight. Ang dami na namin nakuha. Ayan. Ang damo. Ang damo. Ayan. Go, Jessie. Go, Jessie. So, yan ang breakfast namin. So, maraming recipe sa YouTube about clams. So, we're going to cook a lot of Taiwan clam. Taiwan clam. Wow. Good morning. Yeah. Actually, the Taiwan clam was introduced here last year around midsummer from my gay BekiFarmer friends in Pasugong at the upper river. So maraming clam daw doon. So nilagay namin dito 1 year after, ang dami na nila. So at least it's sustainable. We have a seafood version of clams in the highlands. Actually, that is my lotus pond. Hindi pa siya namumulaklak. They're not flowering yet. So, the lotus is also a source of food, yung roots nila. Ito. But since we don't know how to cook it, so we just have to settle with the Taiwan clams, which are a source of protein as well, aside from tilapia fish and livestock. Go guys. Ang dami na ha. Wow, ang daming, ang laki. Ang laki na clam. Aside sa nakuha namin na clam, meron pa. It's going to be a feast. So we have 5 fish ponds. Another pond here which is full of Taiwan clam also. And 3 more over there at the BekiFarmer farm.
At sa mga bago sa aking channel, please don't forget to click like and subscribe and click the ring bell button for more upcoming videos.
How many catch you have today? Oh my gosh! Ang daming clams. So we have a bounty breakfast for today. So hence the word Taiwan clam came from Taiwan. It's a freshwater clam. Actually, there's more bigger in size. Dito namin na-harvest. Dito lang yung mga medium size yan. That's medium size. Kasing laki ng palm, mga mature talaga. So this will be our breakfast for today. Good job, Jessie. Yan, organic pool namin. Look oh, if we're going to scrape this skin, parang meron siyang pearl-like quality. May shiny siya na. So there's a possibility if we're going to put some dirt or sand while they are under inside the pond, they will coat the dirt with pearl-like calcium. So we're going to have a pearl. Baka lang. So as you can see, shiny siya. Pearl-like. Ayan. We're going to submerge this sa water before for few hours para lumabas yung dumi, yung mga pupo nila. They will start pupuing. At the same time, we're going to prepare some condiments. I'm going to cook separately for stir fry and soup. Ayan. Ayan, bubuksan na namin yung medium size na Taiwan clam na na-harvest namin sa aming fish pond. Ayan, te. Do the honors, char. Ayan, bubuksan na namin. Dahan-dahan lang, babe. Malapot at maraming dumi. Wow, ang taba. Look, oh. Parang pearl na pearl. Parang nangangalak siya ng pearl. Galing. Ito pala yung ulam namin. Adobo namin yan. Ito na yung yung mga meat niya, yung flesh, sa isang platong Taiwan clam. So, ayan, ang taba. Parang it looks familiar. Hindi ko naman sasabihin kasi allergic ako sa takong. Pwede ako allergic sa Taiwan clam. Ano yan? May linta! Hindi pala, joke lang. Yung dirt niya. No, it's a dirt. Makakapasok yung mga linta dyan. Ayan, nakatulog. Ayan, ang galing. Yan yung meat niya. Ang taba ng labia meat. Joke. Ayan. So ayan, so masarap siya sa source of protein dito. Ayan, pumugsit. Ayan. May lumabas, makatas. Char. Ayan, nahulog tuloy. Ayan. So, lulutuin na namin yan. Hanguin. Lulutuin namin ng adobo. Di ba, tita? Okay. Yan. Yan. So, ito na yung finished product ng Taiwan clam. Yung meat niya. So, inadobo namin. At saka masarap siya. So, ito yung lunch namin. Ito rice and yellow corn. At adobong Taiwan clam. Adobong Taiwan clam. Kain na tayo.
Okay guys, kain din tayo. Salamat for watching.